Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Bangladesh. So the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Earlier it used to be a part of Pakistan, which is the eastern part of Pakistan. In 1971, Bangladesh became an independent country from Pakistan. So that is when India went in war with Pakistan. So that was a very big war, and out of that came Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is a very important country in the production of jute. So this is the second largest producer of jute, and the first largest producer is India. And it is the first largest exporter of jute fiber. And Bangladesh has got borders with two countries. One is India and the other is Myanmar. And India has got, amongst all the international borders that India has with other countries, it has the longest border with Bangladesh. So in this strategic point of view also, India-Bangladesh relation is very important. And the states that have the borders or boundaries with Bangladesh are West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. So as we know, Bangladesh is on the northeastern side of when compared to India. So these states of northeast have the major portion in their border with Bangladesh, and Myanmar is also present with its border with Bangladesh. And on its south, Bangladesh has got Bay of Bengal. We shall see all of this in mapping. And Bangladesh is very famously known as the nation of rivers. So it has got three important rivers. So that is basically Bangladesh is a delta region, a large delta has formed into this country. So this delta is formed by three major rivers. They are the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna. Ganges in India we call it Ganges. In Bangladesh it is called as Padma. River Padma is nothing but Ganges in India, the Ganga river. And river Brahmaputra in India is called as Yamuna river in Bangladesh. And Meghna, as I've given a formula here, Meghna is the mixing up, or when Ganges and Brahmaputra come and join, they flow as one river, which is called as Meghna. So this is Ganges plus Brahmaputra, that is Meghna, and these three rivers make up the whole of Bangladesh. And the major part of Sundarban Delta is taken up by Bangladesh. Sundarban Delta is the largest delta in the whole world. And this is a place for Royal Bengal tiger, and this is also Sundarbans are also in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this big delta, it is presently present mostly in Bangladesh. And there is also a port in view of international relations. There is a port called Chittagong Port in Bangladesh, which is built by China. It is as an initiative of String of Pearls initiative of China, in which China goes on building these ports and military things around India. So this is important strategically to India. And this is also a part of OBOR initiative, that is One Belt One Road initiative of China. Bangladesh is also a part of this initiative, and this is the host for Secretariat for BIMSTEC. So we know BIMSTEC has got, it is a regional intergovernmental organization, and the secretariat host is Bangladesh to BIMSTEC. And the Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthem of Bangladesh, is written by our Indian Rabindranath Tagore, and this song is very important in the modern history of India, because in 1906, during the partition of Bengal, this song became the main anthem for that partition of Bengal. So during the Swadeshi movement, so Amar Sonar Bengal later evolved as the national anthem of Bangladesh. So this is a brief thing about Bangladesh. Now we shall see the basic border and bordering countries and rough mapping of it. So to give a rough map to Bangladesh, it somewhat looks like this. So the border will be somewhat in this way. So this is how Bangladesh is present, and there is also an extension of Bangladesh in this area. So this is the basic border of Bangladesh. Now we shall see the bordering states of India around Bangladesh. So on the west and on the north, both on the west and on the north, this whole region is bordered by West Bengal state of India. So this is all West Bengal. This is Bangladesh. And on the north itself there is another state, that is Assam. So Assam further proceeds in this way. So here is Assam. So all of this is Assam. And on the northeastern side it has got Meghalaya. So Meghalaya is present over here. This is Meghalaya. This is on the northeastern side of Bangladesh. So north is taken up by West Bengal and Assam, and northeast is taken up by Meghalaya, and here is Tripura. So Tripura is on the eastern side of Bangladesh. Meghalaya, Tripura, and here is Mizoram. This is Mizoram. So these are all the bordering states of Bangladesh from India. Indian bordering states. West Bengal, Assam on the north, Meghalaya on the northeast, Tripura and Mizoram on the east. So these are all Indian states, and here is Myanmar. So Myanmar is having its border over here to this part of Bangladesh. So here is Myanmar. And Bay of Bengal is on the whole of south of Bangladesh. So here is Bay of Bengal. These are the bordering things around Bangladesh. Now we shall see the three rivers that are flowing into Bangladesh. As I have told, it is a nation of rivers. It is flooded by the Ganges in this way. So it comes from India here. This is Ganges, and until here it is called Ganges, and in Bangladesh it is called as Padma, river Padma. And from here there is Brahmaputra coming inside. So until here we call it as Brahmaputra. Until the Indian border it is called as Brahmaputra, and from here on it is called Yamuna. Yamuna river of Bangladesh is nothing but Brahmaputra. And the third river is Meghna. So Meghna is nothing but the unification of Ganges and Brahmaputra. So this is Meghna river. Meghna river is Ganges plus Brahmaputra, or Padma plus Yamuna is Meghna. So these are the three rivers that are flowing in Bangladesh. So this is the basic view or basic borders of Bangladesh. It is bounded by Indian states mostly. So this is the longest international border that India has got. So in this way it is important strategical point of view also. So but the another country that is having its border is Myanmar. India and Myanmar are the borders of Bangladesh. So the Chittagong port, as I have told, it is over here in this somewhere over this part of Bangladesh. Here is the Chittagong port that is built by China. So this is the basic view of Bangladesh, and thank you.